Okay, so next to enter the arena, we have Dr. Julia Ambler, who's the Director of Medical Research at Sparks. So she's going to talk about Better Together, so funding more rare disease research, which you can all agree is a fantastic initiative. So take it away.
Thank you. I'm Julia Ambler. I'm Director of Medical Research at a charity called Sparks. I want to talk to you a little bit today about how we work with other organisations to help facilitate funding of more rare disease research. We've heard a lot of different things about collaboration today, so this is another model. So Sparks is a children's medical research charity. We fund medical research across a very broad range of paediatric conditions. So that ranges from very common conditions such as childhood eczema or asthma, right through to conditions that affect only a very small number of children, just a handful in the UK or across the world. We're a member of the Association of Medical Research Charities, so our donors and our research partners can be confident that the processes we have in place for funding research are robust. We're audited every 5 years to make sure that we meet the standards that have been set for us. And since 1991, it's our 25th anniversary year this year, we've invested around £28 million into high quality research, and we are very keen to see that figure grow. So why do we partner with other organisations? Well, at Sparks, we realise that if we're going to achieve our vision, we're going to have to work with other people. Our vision is that all children should be given the best possible start in life. We think that by sharing our resources, our values and our knowledge with other charities, we can hopefully have a bigger impact by working together and achieve some shared objectives. So to help us do that, we've created a free bespoke research partner programme to help facilitate more research funding. So we work with other organisations. Oftentimes these are rare disease charities. They've been set up by a family who perhaps have an affected child, and we provide them with expertise in awarding and managing grants. All our research partners are very passionate about making a difference to the families that they support, and they want to have an impact through funding medical research. They also, like Sparks, work very hard to raise their money. For those of you who work for charities in the audience, you know how hard it is to get funds in. And so they want to make sure that the funds that they have raised are going to the best possible quality science that has the greatest chance of making an impact. But oftentimes they lack the time and the resource to be able to fully manage this process themselves. So we believe that by sharing the resource and the infrastructure that we already have in place, so that's our medical team, myself and 2 others, and also our medical advisory committee, we can help our research partners fund their research through us. This takes away the administrative burden of funding research. It frees up their time so that they're able to do more fundraising either for research or to help support their other charitable activities. Although the research is actually funded through Sparks, the project very much belongs to the research partner. So everything is co-branded. We make sure that the researcher knows exactly where his money has come from. It also makes sure that the donors know exactly where their money has gone. Our research partners can demonstrate that to their supporters. As well as providing help with the peer review and the award process, we also look after the grants post-award, so that's monitoring the expenditure, making sure that the researchers comply with the reporting requirements, and also making sure that the research is progressing well. We can also provide support in fundraising activities, so challenge and special events being one example, and we can also provide advice in communications, corporate and major donor giving. It's a bespoke programme, however, so our partners pick and choose what suits their needs and what elements that they want. And as I mentioned on the previous slide, this is a free service, we don't charge for this. We want to help more research be funded, and particularly rare diseases are one of our strategic priorities, so it's really important for us to work in this area. So the benefits of the programme: it avoids duplication of effort, it saves time and money. Everybody doesn't need to hire a medical team, we can share a resource. You can ensure that donors' money is being spent on the best quality science because we're adhering to a robust peer review process. Hopefully we can increase the amount of research that's being funded overall because of this saving in money. And if we work together, hopefully we'll be able to increase awareness of some of these particularly rare conditions. Finally, and beating the bell, I'm just going to leave you with a snapshot of our current partners. We're always happy to speak to more charities and work together with others.
4:28. That's great. Okay, thanks very much.